Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorial how to use direct tools. Create new part and I will click start to the sketch, choose top plan. We draw simple rectangle, click finish sketch and use extrude tools to convert into 3D. For the next I will select this face, we create again new sketch. I will draw rectangle at this point, click finish sketch, use extrude again and I will cut the object, click OK. Now, if you want to use direct tools, you can click at this icon. So we have a lot of options. In here you can move, size, scale, rotate, delete, paste. And for example, I will select at this face, click a direct, or you can move to here to be automatically moved. If you done, you can press enter to apply. Or the other option, I will use rotate tools. So in there you can click a rotate, then we can rotate in this axis. And if you done, you can press enter to apply. So I will select again at this face. We can move this face, click at this move tools. So I'll move it to here. And press enter to apply again. Okay, that's it for a basic Inventor tutorial, how to use a direct tool. And if you have any question, you can comment below this video.